We are at the Continental office plaza in Bloomingdale, and we've got some older elevators in here. Well, one elevator in each building, but this should be interesting. See, it has old CJ Anderson. Ooh. This is something vintage. Look at this old cab. This has an AN10 button up here. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, that's live. What the fuck? Yo, what? Yo, that is not... I just got shocked on the door. That is live. Okay, what the fuck? That's not supposed to happen. Something's not grounded, or what's going on? How is the door live? That's really concerning. Excuse me. Anyway, there it goes. I do not know why that door is live. Anyway, that will be all.